We are the Sweets and Treats Baking Club, and we meet one Saturday each month to learn how to bake.
I'm Joshua. We start by making sure we put up our hair if it is long. Then we sanitize our hands.
I am Silas. We take our recap to the ingredients and equipment table to gather what we need.
Please cut here. Not take the whole thing. Here, buy the sugar.
Today we are making scones, and we need to preheat our ovens to 375.
I am Annalise. First, we need to measure the flour.
Hi, my name is Grace, and here's another way to measure flour. Now we need to measure the sugar. Next, we need to measure the salt.
Then we measure the baking powder and whisk them all together. Lastly, we cut the stick of cold butter into small pieces and add it to the mixture.
Now we mix the butter into the flour until it can't be seen.
Hi, I'm Blythe. We need to measure 1/2 cup of heavy cream using liquid measuring cup. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla and whisk them together in the measuring cup.
I am Lauren. Pour the cream and vanilla over the dry cream. Use your hands to mix together the dry and wet ingredients. Cook the dough on a floured surface. Add any fruit or chocolate chips to the dough and mix it in. Finish by folding the dough 4 to 5 times and then make it into a 6-inch diameter. Brush with heavy cream and sprinkled with sugar. Slice it into 8 sections. Place on the parchment paper on the cookie sheet and bake in the oven for 15 minutes.
I'm Blythe, and these are my chocolate chip scones.
I'm Lauren, and these are my raspberry scones.
I'm Josh, and these are my chocolate chip scones.
I'm Annalise, and these are my chocolate chip scones.
I'm Grace, and these are my blueberry scones.
I'm Silas, and these are my blueberry scones.
Well,
It's good.
good.
It is really good. It's like a chocolate chip cookie, but it's different.
Are they moist?
Yeah.
Kind of.
Are they dry?
Kind of. When I stick my fork into it, it's
But when you taste it, does it taste dry? No.
well, kind of.
Kind of? No, Lauren? Joshua, are yours dry a little bit? Yours a little dry? Scones are dry.
Yeah, but I'm glad I put the sugar on top because I can actually taste the sugar on the side now.
So do you like this recipe? Would you make it again?
Yeah.
Yeah.